Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. We have this flat and short natural haircut that suits your skin tone. You know, this haircut is a natural style that is low maintenance haircut and they blend better with your natural roots. You know, if you really want that haircut that will give you that flattering look, just try some soft highlight or low highlights to add depth and dimension, because this haircut, you can see, will really suit lighter, cooler skin tones, and this haircut will complement your base color. You can also focus on some lighter shades around the front for that youthful glow and balanced dimension. Don't forget that a great haircut and the right hair shade are only half of the equation, so styling and upkeep really keeps it looking fresh with the right tools, you know, and with the right products. And a few pro tips, because you can just make your cut work with minimal effort. So focus on hydration and gentle cleansing. Try to use a surface-free shampoo. Don't forget that deep conditioning treatments and avoid anything that has to do with heat, or will I say the heat styling. Consider nourishing oils or serums to keep your hair soft and shiny. Apply a lightweight dry shampoo to add volume and shape to your hair cut between washes, okay? Because sometimes a tinted shampoo can refresh your color if needed. So let me just let you guys watch the styles we have. God bless you guys. Stay look to Winnie Styles for more beautiful short natural haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.